Welcome back! And I welcome myself back na nawala talaga ako. Nag-slow down talaga ako. I need to fix it now. But hindi ko na pwedeng forever i-explain sa inyo kung bakit ito yun. Hindi ako naging perfect sa lahat ng bagay. I have to stop punishing myself. It was a relationship where you know na matagal na siyang na-reach yung things na I've accepted, I've realized, I've learned, yung mga ganyan. So, nag-less po talaga ako ng social media. Nag-start ako going to the gym more, not just for physical, health, but also mental. So, it really helps. Sometimes when, I feel like I'm overthinking too much, I feel like I'm getting anxious about things, I'm getting depressed. Kasi daw, if you're gonna look back, you're gonna be depressed. And if you're gonna look way more forward, like parang sa future, you're gonna get anxious. So, in order for me to focus on the present, I run. Nag-treadmill po ako. I used to run outdoors, like sa park, sa riverside. Ginagawa ko po yun before, but now sa gym kasi may membership ako. So yeah, and then I started writing, like journal. Yung normally, I always pray. Every time, kung wala akong kausap, yung si God yung kinakausap ko, ganyan. But, I started writing my prayers. Not my wishes, but everything. And sometimes, sinasabi ko na lang na if I cannot, say the words, I just pray you read my mind, God. Yung mga ganong happenings, guys. Also, I started reading books. So, ang dami ko ng books sa shelf ko. Merong romance, hindi Precious Hearts, but yeah, mga books, hindi ko ma-imagine na ang kakapal ng books na nababasa ko na pala. Yeah, aside from romance, yung mga motivational books, yung anything na makakapag-refresh lang na not to worry about things, parang naging pastime ko na siya instead of looking at my phone, social media, kasi dun talaga magsa-start yung sa Facebook, sa Instagram, because before I started comparing myself to other people, nangyayari po talaga siya, and hindi pala siya maganda. Yun yung mga na nag-steer away ako muna for a while. Nagpo-post ako ng mga stories, yung mga ka-funny-funny, kasi baliw-baliwan lang po talaga ako eh. But tiring din siya na maging clown ka to your friends. Hindi nila namamalayan na you have something going on na din pala, kasi patawa ka lang ng patawa. So, nagbawas din po ako ng mga friends kasi I know at some point, nung hindi ako okay, naging somehow toxic yung energy ko, naging negative din ako, siguro para sa iba. And yung iba, yung nila sa akin is naging negative or naging toxic din sila sa akin. I'm holding myself accountable din for choosing friends, for, the energies I accepted and energies I've given. So, parang after that, para ma-help ko lang po talaga yung self ko is nag-focus ako. So, ano yung energy na i-accept ko? Kasi, parang feeling ko din is naubos ako. Yung parang, when they needed me, give ako ng give to the extent na hindi ko na naiisip yung sarili ko na, I also have to deal with myself pala. I stopped doing it. Parang, okay, this person is ganito ganyan. This person is ganito ganyan. I am this to this person. I am that to that person. So, yung mga ganon, yung pure assessment talaga of who I am going to keep. May mga people na, naging friends ko, especially like my classmates, nakakausap ko sila online, and not necessarily nami-meet ko pa sila in person. Kasi, number one talaga, wala na po akong time. Ang hirap maghanap ng time. Even doing this vlog, even if you notice, naka-uniform po ako because I'm just doing this before going to work. Mini-make sure ko na yung time ko is given, yung time na ina-accept ko is, fini-filter ko na po siya. So, pure assessment because I'm really careful about it now. Speaking of finding time, I also need to balance my time. So, minsan kasi sa dami-dami ng iniisip ko, hindi ko na siya kayang habulin. So, it's like, I breathe, I do meditate. I started writing my notes sa cellphone ko. Kasi minsan, let's say for example, nagte-treadmill ako. And then, biglang, uy, ito yung magiging topic ko sa vlog ko. So, sinusulat ko siya sa notes. And then, uy, ito yung gagawin ko for this, So, sinusulat ko siya sa notes. So, that's one way of me planning para mabalance ko yung time ko and mahanapan ko siya ng time to do it, to do things. So, like now, gumising ako 9 o'clock. Tas, work ko 2 o'clock. I have to be driving to work mga around 1 o'clock. Yung pack ako ng lunchbox. Nag-prepare ako 1 hour. So by 10 o'clock, 10, 11, 12, 1. So I have 3 hours to record this video. Balance talaga. So yung pag-edit ko, another time na naman. So ganyan. It's fun. It's crazy. But I have to do this. Otherwise, mapupuno yung memory ko sa notes ko lang. Ang dami. Yun yung mga ginagawa ko or ginawa ko to really help myself as well. Number 1 na super excited akong i-record sa vlogs ko is yung finances talaga. Of course, it's going to be my budgeting, kung paano ko breakdown yung sweldo ko and my work, kung ano yung work ko na ngayon. I think I had so many jobs at that time. But na-realize ko, oh my gosh, ang laki ng tax. But we'll talk about it sa next vlogs ko kasi ayoko itong pahabain. Kasi what to expect lang naman comeback lang naman ito So ayoko i-share dito lahat para hindi siya din humaba. Nag-study din ako ng YouTube analytics ko. Hindi naman kayo nanonood sa mga gala-gala ko. Yung mga pinapanood nyo talaga is yung sit down, which I thought, ang boring. But yeah, yung mga subscribers ko, na talagang nagwa-watch sila sa videos na ganito ko, like pure information. So okay, this is what I'm going to focus on sa new vlog ko. Yung intro ko, nag-iba na siya kasi version 2.0. This will be helpful for, Filipinos planning to move to Australia. It's not only about the process now, but at least may glimpse din sila kasi minsan yung iba sinusugarcoat lang nila na ang lalaki ng sweldo. Ang lalaki ng sweldo, but my gosh, yung cost of living dito ang laki din. So parang I'm just going to be real to you. So yan yung goal, yan yung focus ng next videos ko. My journey, my budget. If the same tayo, then this could be helpful to you. Kung ano lang talaga yung mga kaganapan sa buhay ni Valerie. Ang weird, hindi na siya international student, tita. Ayoko din gamitin yung name ko kasi parang, ang OA! Hopefully, this will be helpful to you. Because for me, this is also very helpful. Diba, sinabi ko sa inyo na nag-journal ako. But I've also realized na doing this, sharing my life, hindi lang ako nakakatulong sa iba na nanonood, nakakatulong din ako sa self ko. Kasi nagiging outlet ko din siya. Nagiging outlet ko siya to release the thoughts. Journal ko din siya, but not in a writing form, but in a video form. So, parang, okay, I'm going back to vlogging kasi this will also help me. I hope you'll be with me. You'll still watch my vlogs, the future videos I'm going to upload on YouTube. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. See you on the next one.